Hello guys, welcome back to Basic Computing with EKB. My name is EKB and this is my first time actually revealing my face on this channel. It's been a while since I posted, like 8 months ago, almost a year, but I'm back, I'm back solid, and this time I'm going to upload back-to-back videos. Life happened, school and stuff like that, but I'm back. If you've already subscribed to this channel, that's a solid thanks for being around. And if this is your first time watching this video, please do all to like and subscribe. So on this channel we do what we do. We learn basic computing stuff and step by step, rational, big grammar, So whether you are a student or you are a worker, you are beginner, you don't really know the computer inside with this is the channel for you, and I'll do you a solid. I break down stuff, basic stuff. So anything you want to learn, you just drop it in the comment section and I'll do well to make a video on that. So on this channel we are going to learn a lot. In my previous videos I wasn't really sure how my structure was, but now I'm going to give you guys a structure. I'm going to post weekly, maybe 2 or 3 videos per week, then we start from there, you understand? So on this channel we just learn simple computer basics, beginner lessons, intermediate. Even if you are a pro, you are going to need some tips from my channel. So make sure to like and subscribe every video I post. Put the channel on post notifications so that every video I post you get an update. Thanks for watching guys, and expect more videos from me. See you.